Hello everyone, how are you this week? I'm teacher Frank, you know me, I'm your English teacher and we will start this new English lesson. Okay, I hope you are fine. I hope your family is fine, everything okay. So we can start now. Okay, let's take a look on the lesson. So what are we doing this week? We start unit 3. Okay, so unit 2 is behind. Okay, so now we can start unit 3. So we will talk about, first you will open your book, page 25, and we will talk about the house in general. So the title is My House. The different places in the house you will see on the picture, and you will make a sentence with each place in the house. And in the second part, with your book, page 26, the living room and the kitchen, identify and learn the things you can find in the living room and the kitchen by using the sentence there is or there are. Okay, are you ready? Stay focused. Here we go. We start with the house. Okay, so the title is My House. So I will start to read. You follow me and you will read 2 times. Okay, we start. Here we go. This is my house. There are many rooms in my house. We sleep in the bedrooms. We cook in the kitchen. We have breakfast, lunch, and dinner in the dining room. Sorry. We take a shower in the bathroom. We watch TV in the living room. Okay, so you read this 2 times. Now I have some questions. Okay, so stay focused on this and you will answer correctly the questions. Okay, I start to read. How many rooms are there in this house? How many? Do you remember? How many? Take your time. Where are we cooking? Where are we cooking? In which room? In which place of the house? Where do we have our meals? What is meal? What is a meal? Take a look on that. You can use Google Translate about this. Where do we sleep? And the last one. Is breakfast in the morning or in the evening? Click on pause. Try your best. Don't write on the book because you don't have the space, and it's a special exercise, so you can use a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. Okay, if you can write on the book, I will tell you. Okay, so here, don't write on the book. Okay, try that. I will give you the answer just after. Good luck. Okay, so we start. There are 6 rooms in this house. 6 rooms. Okay, let's take a look on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's talk about this. You repeat after me. Bedroom, bathroom. Be careful with your tongue and your teeth. Bathroom. Bedroom. Kitchen. Be careful. Kitchen. Dining room. We said dining room, but you said dinner. Be careful. Living room. Okay, so 6 rooms in this house. We cook in the kitchen. Okay, repeat that. Kitchen. We cook in the kitchen. Number 3. We talk about the meals now. Meals are the breakfast, the lunch, and the dinner. We have them in the dining room. Okay, so meals, it's the group when we eat. Okay, so it's easy to explain, but just learn that meals, it's breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, and maybe others you will have on the day. Okay, number 4, we sleep in the bedrooms. Yes, usually you can sleep in the living room, but most of the time you will sleep in your bed in your bedroom. And number 5, breakfast is in the morning. Okay, not too difficult. It's okay. So just take a look on the 2 pictures on the right. Up, you have some typical breakfasts you can find and eat in Europe or in America or maybe in Australia. Okay. And in Thailand, you will have this kind of breakfast. Okay. But you have some Thai people I spoke with them already. So they eat like European or American about the breakfast. But breakfast is usually salty in Thailand. And the first time I came, it was a bit weird to eat salty on morning because most of the time we usually take a sweet breakfast, okay, in Europe or in America, okay. But now I change my habits. I eat most of the time a salty breakfast. Everything can change, by the way. Okay, so we continue. So now let's talk about the living room and the kitchen. Okay, so first we will read the items located in the living room, then in the kitchen. So I start to follow me. Sofa, lamp, magazines, photo albums, stereo, television, DVD player. Now in the kitchen, cup, bowl, dish, pot, stove, glass, picture. Now the 2 sentences. There is a sofa in the living room. There are 4 bowls in the kitchen. Okay, so you repeat that 2 times. Now I have some question for you. Not a question, sorry, but build a sentence. Okay, so here you will choose 5 things located in the living room and the kitchen. Then you will make a sentence like the example below the picture. So you will make a sentence like, there is a, you will choose in the living room, or there are in the living room or the kitchen. Okay, so 5 sentences of each room. So 10 sentences in total. Okay, 5 for the living room, 5 for the kitchen. Take a piece of paper and a pen. 2, don't write on the book, okay, because you will not have enough space about this, and it's a special one again, so it's a training, so it's better to do that with a piece of paper and a pen. Okay, click on pause, do your best, and we meet just after. Here are the sentences. Okay, so you can restart if you had some difficulties about this. Okay, so here it's a training. Don't forget about this, and don't forget that you have 1 week to practice. Okay, so you have the time. Okay, we start. I start to read, so train yourself, train to read, okay, with this kind of sentences. There is a television in the living room. There are magazines in the living room. There is a lamp in the living room. There are photo albums in the living room. There is a DVD player in the living room. Okay? So there is when you have just one item, and more than one, there are. Okay? So now let's talk about the kitchen. There is a cup in the kitchen. There are boards in the kitchen. There is a stove in the kitchen. There is a pitcher in the kitchen. And the last one, there is a pot in the kitchen. Okay, so repeat that. It's normal. You have a lot of living room, you have a lot of kitchen, because I know sometimes, usually, students have some difficulties about this. So try to repeat that, because you don't have the V in the Thai language, and you don't have. So living room, here, living room, kitchen, kitchen. Okay, so try to repeat again. Okay, for this week, the lesson is over. Okay, so we start the unit 3 with new words, new vocabulary. Okay, so start to learn about this, repeat the words. Sometimes you can look at you in a mirror and try to speak about those places. Okay, you will see your mouth moving with your tongue, and it can be a good exercise to improve your pronunciation. Okay, so good job. Try again. You have the time, 1 week. We meet again next week. Okay, so see you. Take care of you and take care of your family. See you next week. Bye-bye.